Namaste, Hare Krishna. Can you see me? Can you hear my voice? Just give me a thumbs up. I want every one of you to please switch on your camera. Thank you for the confirmation. Come on, everyone. I want you to please come on camera. Thank you so much for joining me on this day. I know you must have had some different plans, but you still decided to join this. I truly appreciate. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So today we celebrate the heart champions who have participated in the recent all the missions, all the tasks which I have given them, and they could improve their heart health. They could improve their overall health, not just the heart health, but we divide it into body, mind, and soul. So they have improved in all the three areas. So we are going to celebrate their wins today. Okay. So very quickly, because there are some new people also here, I want to share what we actually do in Happy Hearts Hub, and then we will start by giving the awards. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen. Just let me know if my screen is visible. Anyone can give me thumbs up if my screen is visible. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much for the confirmation. So Happy Hearts Hub, this is a place where I want you to not just heal your heart naturally, but also to upgrade yourself, evolve yourself as a human being also. Okay. So the vision here is I see a problem that, our current health system does not address the emotional stress, which is silently damaging our hearts. And the mission that I have is to build a largest community of people working together to achieve healthy heart using the methods deeply rooted into meditations. Okay, my methods are into meditation. Vision is to make India healthy heart capital of this world by creating army of heart healers, which are all my students here. Okay, that's the vision. And very quickly, I want to tell you about the values that we have. I'm not talking about the code of honor because there are other people also here. So the values that we as Happy Hearts Hub we carry is number one is freedom, freeing ourselves from all these issues like high blood pressure, anxiety, anger, overthinking. We don't want all these issues, right? Number two is family. We want to spend quality time with our family. Number three is service, that we want to contribute to the society, do some charity every single month. Okay, so these are the values that we have. And why Happy Hearts Hub? Because I want you to take away three awards. The first one is Achiever Award. You get it by completing the 30 days Healthy Heart Challenge. The second is the Heart Champion Award, which you are going to give today, and you achieve it by completing the 90 days challenge you have, we have given you. And number three is Heart Ratna Award, achieving something exceptional which you also did not expect. So that is Heart Ratna Award. Okay, so that is the Happy Hearts Hub. Why I have created this? I want you to achieve all the three awards, right? Whether you are a silver member, diamond member, I do not want you to stay behind. I want you to achieve all the three awards, right? And the journey which I have created you, if you are new here, please start with 3 days course. Second step is 30 days Healthy Heart Challenge. Third step is the Healathon Challenge, which we are going to start again in the month of March. So please join. How many of you want to join this the new challenge in the month of March? Type me in the chats. Everyone, I want you to start typing me in the chats, because I'm going to do it different this time. It is going to be really different and more effective. Okay. Thank you so much. Number 4, attend all my sessions live. See, all the winners here, most of them, they have attended my sessions live. So I want you to do that. Number 5, receive all the certificates and awards. And number 6, most important, have fun while you're doing this. It should not be just a boring meditation or pranayam class. I want you to have fun while you're doing this. And also we have diamond membership. If you are someone who wants to upgrade, you can definitely do so. I'm going to open up again in the month of March, right? So this is a little about our community here. And now I want every one of you to just sit back straight and relax yourself. We are going to give away some awards here very soon. And there are more than, I think, 15 winners that I could come up with, analyzing your scores out there. So I want to congratulate everybody out there, right? So let's begin. How many of you are excited? I'm not seeing every one of you switching on their camera. Come on, everyone, at least my students here. Everyone, I want you to please come on camera. Yes. Perfect. Very good. Thank you so much for that. And let's begin with the awards here. So the Heart Champion Awards. I'm just sharing my screen. Just let me know if you're able to see my screen once again. Anyone can type yes in the chats. Just give me a second. Yes. All right. Thank you so much, Heart Champions Award. And I would like to bring up the first Heart Champion. I want every one of you to please welcome the first Heart Champion we have is Harpreet Kohli here. So, yes, I'm just stopping my screen so that I can bring Harpreet on Spotlight. Yes, before Harpreet, you speak anything, I want every one of you to, type in congratulations to Harpreet in the chats out there because he's got some exceptional results. So, yes, Harpreet, you can unmute. And I would want you to start with, a little about yourself and let us know what worked for you and what is that result that you have got. Yes, Harpreet, over to you.
Thank you so much, Neha ma'am. I think overall we are associated with you now from almost 10, 12 months. So it has been a wonderful journey till now. Every day has been something new, learning some new concept we learn every day. So as a profession, I work in an organization as a CEO, and I think this task of CEO is the most pressure task. So everything which goes wrong is the responsibility of the head of the organization. So
True.
that pressure and in history, I had a stunt stroke somewhere in 2017, 18, and almost 8, 9 years now. I had been on medications of heart along with the BP medication. So in this last 10, 12 months of journey, I was able to eliminate my BP medication from the
Wow.
my entire
Congratulations,
list of
Harpreet.
medicines. So that is a great achievement. So prior to this, whenever I used to go to my cardio, one or two medication was added as the age was growing. So, but this is the first time in history of last 8, 9 years that a medication is reduced. So I was like, while maybe with my doctor, he did not see much of the test report. Just seeing my face, he could recognize that yes, there is a lot of change in this person. So by seeing my
Right.
face only, he reduced my medication. BP was
Wow.
also perfectly right.
Great, great.
I also feel a lot of energy now. There were a lot of negative thoughts, so I'm able to manage all those negative aspects, negative impressions. So I think pressure still remain there, but it does not bother me the way it used to bother me earlier. So I'm
Right.
able to maybe work better. I'm able to live better. So that is what is the I think the biggest achievement and whatever you guide and your way of teaching is also superb. My wife, she is also very, very fan of you. So,
Thank you. Thank you.
thank you so
So,
much, ma'am. I think it's been an incredible journey.
thank you. Thank you so
I
much,
never
Harpreet.
imagined that just a random click on some Facebook or Instagram would take me here.
Yeah, we don't know how we are destined to meet,
Right.
right?
Yes.
And so, Harpreet, one question to you. What was that one thing that really helped you? Can you just highlight one or two things that really helped you?
There are a couple of things, ma'am. The meditation part is something which helped me a lot.
Okay.
So the way you are able to drive us to the out of our current world, I think that is
Mm.
amazing. And there are certain particular, in particular, chakra healing is superb. Home meditation is amazing. Shivaratri meditation was ultimate. So I think we, in fact, I told my wife to do that Shivaratri meditation last Sunday. She also did at
Oh.
around 5 a.m.
Wow, great, great. So, another question to you, is Diamond membership helping you out there?
Very much, very, very much. If we see the price of diamond membership, because it's not a monthly kind of fee, it's one time payout, and
Yeah.
it is peanut against what we are getting. Not even need to mention anything about it.
Thank you so much, Harpreet. And before you leave, can you say one thing or advise one thing to everybody out here? Like, what is the one thing that they can start doing and get results like how you have got? What would you say?
I think the one thing is follow what you are saying.
Okay. All
Your
right.
your voice is soothing. Whatever you say, teach. Even the Gita lessons are amazing. So I implemented some Gita lessons in my work profile in my organization as well. So
Oh, wow. Great.
thank you so much, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, Harpreet. I want every one of you, I'm just unmuting every one of you here. Everyone, please unmute and say congratulations. You can unmute, everyone. Yes,
Yes,
now.
congratulations,
Congratulations,
Harpreet.
Harpreet.
So
Congratulations
proud of
and
you.
Congratulations, Harpreet.
Congratulations.
celebrations.
Congratulations, Harpreet. Stay blessed and happy.
Congratulations, Harpreet. Keep up. Keep it up.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. So proud of you, yeah.
Congratulations.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations.
All right. And yes, Harpreet, way more to go. And see you again. Okay. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. You can unmute. You're on mute.
So,
Yes.
maybe you are there and the community, the all the people in this community are also amazing and very positive, which
Hmm.
also motivates us to do something different and remain involved in this. So everybody is superb, amazing person.
Right, right. Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much, Harpreet. All right. Yes. So that was Harpreet. And yes, being at a CXO level, it's very difficult. You know, the stress is so high, and because of our work, we are straining our own bodies nowadays, and that is giving us a lot of stress. See, we are earning to live, like, a peaceful life, and if that work itself is giving us stress, then it is not good. That somewhere we should only do something for it, because external scenario we cannot change, right? All right, thank you for that, and let's move on to our the next winner here. So coming on to my screen back again. So yes, after Harpreet, the next winner is Kunti ji. Kunti ji, congratulations. I am sure you are here. I'm putting you on spotlight. Yes, just hold on. Yes. Kunti ji, congratulations. I want every one of you to please congratulate and welcome Kunti ji here. I want you to unmute. Today, आज तो आपको बात करना पड़ेगा. So you are our heart champion. You have been so consistent in, attending all the sessions, and right, I'm so glad that you are here and you are a winner also. So thank you so much, Kunti ji. I want to hear from you. आपके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए. आप कहाँ से हो, क्या करते हो, क्या इशू था, आपको क्या रिजल्ट मिला? आई वांट टू हियर फ्रॉम यू, प्लीज. ओवर टू यू, कुंती जी.
थैंक यू मैडम.
बताइए. आपको बोलना पड़ेगा कुछ ना कुछ अभी.
नहीं, हम लोग राजस्थान से हैं.
जी.
मैं यहाँ अटलांटा में रह रही हूँ.
ओके. अटलांटा में रहते हो आप?
हाँ.
अभी टाइम क्या हुआ है वहां पर?
अभी 7:46
AM, सुबह के 7.
मॉर्निंग के.
ओके ओके ओके. बताइए कुंती जी, आपको क्या इशू था, आपको क्या इससे बेनिफिट मिला?
नहीं, एक तो मैजिक टी से काफी फर्क पड़ा मेरे.
मैजिक टी से? ओके ओके, वेरी गुड.
और डिसिप्लिन थोड़ा.
डिसिप्लिन भी आप में आ गया. ओके. मैं आपका जो आपने लिखा था वो एक बार आई जस्ट वांटेड टू ब्रिंग इट अप. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. आपने जो फिल किया था ना फॉर्म, लेट मी जस्ट रीड इट. ओके. आपको इश्यू था हाई बीपी और अर्थराइटिस आल्सो, राइट?
यस.
ओके. एंड स्लीप इश्यूज आल्सो. अभी क्या आपको नींद अच्छी आती है, कैसे, क्या है?
नहीं, अब ठीक है काफी.
काफी ठीक है. ओके ओके. You enjoy the meditations?
Yes.
Yes. All right, all right. Thank you so much, Kunti ji. I want every one of you. I'm again unmuting every one of you. Please congratulate her. She has been wonderful. Come on, everyone. I want you to please congratulate.
Congratulations.
Congratulations,
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 Kunti.
Kunti
So
ji.
happy to see you.
Congratulations.
So happy to hear such results.
Thank you, Kunti ji. And I want you to continue this journey with us, right? And I always feel so nice to see you in all those meditation sessions. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. All right. Now let's move to our next champion here. Coming on to my screen, just bringing you up here. After Kunti ji, our next heart champion is Kuldeep ji. I am 100% sure Kuldeep ji is here. So stopping my screen and Kuldeep ji, आप कहाँ पर हो? मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा. Where are you? Okay, I saw you. Okay. I'm adding to you to the spotlight. Everyone, I want you to type congratulations to Kuldeep ji. Again, a very consistent person. Like, he's there in so many sessions listening to me. अगर बहुत देर भी हो जाती है तो ये बैठकर सुनते हैं, करते हैं. So I'm so happy. And yes, Kuldeep ji, आप भी बताइए कि आपके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, and what was your issue and what are the issues that have got resolved. Please let us know about you. Yes, over to you, Kuldeep ji.
मैडम, मेरे हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम थी बहुत ज्यादा
जी.
हाँ, और बीपी तो कभी नॉर्मल आता ही नहीं था. 170-80 का, जो कि अब काफी 140 के करीब आ गया है. मेडिसिन थोड़ी सी कम नहीं, ज्यादा नहीं. हाँ जी. और आगे से एनर्जेटिक, कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है. हर चीज टाइम पे करने लग गए हैं. जो कई 10-10 दिन नहीं करते थे ना, वो अब काफी टाइम पे हो रही है सारी चीजें. तो बहुत मोटिवेशन हुआ आपसे, क्योंकि पता तो सबको है, लेकिन मोटिवेशन चाहिए, जो कि आप हमें बहुत बढ़िया दे रहे हैं. तो हम मोटिवेटेड हो जाते हैं. बहुत बढ़िया लगा.
ग्रेट. थैंक यू सो मच कुलदीप जी. आपका बीपी स्टेबल हुआ है, नॉर्मल भी दिखा रहा है, मतलब 140 एट दैट एज इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉर्मल. एंड कुलदीप जी, आपसे एक क्वेश्चन है कि वो कौन सी ऐसी प्रैक्टिस है जो आपको बहुत हेल्प की है? 1 या 2 प्रैक्टिसेस मुझे बताइए.
मैडम, मेडिटेशन है, और मैं और जो योगा प्राणायाम करता हूँ, योगा 1 घंटा योगा. हाँ जी.
ग्रेट.
बाकी चाय छोड़ दी तकरीबन. हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार लेते हैं. हाँ, बस छोड़ दी. हाँ जी. नहीं तो शाम को 5 बजे के बाद रहा नहीं जाता था. अब जो बिल्कुल छोड़ दी हमने.
तो अभी हेडेक वगैरह ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जब आप चाय नहीं पीते?
नहीं.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. वाओ, ग्रेट अचीवमेंट. थैंक यू कुलदीप जी. बिफोर यू गो अवे, आप एक एडवाइस जो यहाँ सभी लोगों को देना चाहते हो, बिकॉज नॉट जस्ट एज ए कम्युनिटी बट ऑल्सो एज ए सीनियर पर्सन, की यहाँ पे बहुत सारे यंग लोग भी हैं, तो उनके लिए आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहते हैं? आप
बस यही कह रहा हूँ कि हर चीज में अपना नॉर्मल रहो, और प्रैक्टिस जो है ना ठीक करते रहेंगे तो हर चीज ठीक हो जाएगी.
सही बात.
कॉन्फिडेंस रखना अपने आप में, और हर चीज फॉलो करेंगे तो बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएगी.
राइट.
हाँ, एनर्जी आएगी और हर एक चीज सब ठीक हो जाएगी.
Wow. Thank you so much, Kuldeep ji. And yes, thank you so much. I want everyone again, please unmute and say congratulations to Kuldeep ji.
Congratulations, sir. Congratulations.
If Kuldeep ji can do it, definitely you all can also do it. है ना? Thank you, Kuldeep ji. Thank you so much. And yes, now I'm muting everyone out there. Kuldeep ji, one of our heart champion. Thank you for joining. Yes. All right. So let's move to the next champion here coming up on my screen. I hope my screen is visible. Just give me a thumbs up. Yes, perfect. Okay. Our next champion is Dhara. one of my old student here. I'm just stopping my screen. I'll bring Dhara on spotlight. Congratulations, Dhara. And I want every one of you to start typing congratulations, Dhara. Dhara, you have been one of those people who trusted me initially, okay? Who trusted me initially. So I'm so thankful to you. I'm unmuting you. I want you to tell us about yourself, the issues that you have been facing, or what things have been resolved to you. Over to you, Dhara. I would love to hear from you. Yes.
Hi, Neha. It was like a miracle how we met. I don't know. I was actually in US and I could get you for the time difference and everything, but still we could connect, and you also made me think positive about myself. No, you can do it. And now we can see it's been more than a year I'm with you.
Yeah. Yes.
Can't explain, like now in the morning or even in the night when we do DMH, like I miss it nowadays because we are just doing it once now.
Yeah. I know.
So I want to get to, I'm so used to your voice that I feel that wo hona hi chahiye. And the best part, our community, the HHS community is so good. Everyone is motivating each other. I'm like motivated by all the seniors, like Javed ji, Arun ji, Geeta ji. See, look at them and I feel कि ये लोग अब भी कर रहे हैं, तो मुझे तो करना ही है. I can't just skip anything. I still miss out the pranayam in the yoga session because I have my fitness class, but I make it a point that meditation, though I'm not going to miss it out. So it's been an amazing thing I've been doing. And advice to everyone is like, कुछ होने के बाद मत करो, पहले से ही अपने फैमिली मेंबर को थोड़ा इसमें लाइए मेडिटेशन में and pranayama, because that is very much necessary with this stressful life what we are all are having. And for me especially, like I used to have tea that I stopped like after the magic tea. Now अभी मैं magic tea भी नहीं लेती हूँ, ऐसे ही मेरा नाश्ता हो जाता है. So I'm off like milk, tea, coffee, nothing. So it really gave me a very light feel, and I'm enjoying it the way, and like positivity तो थी लेकिन और ज्यादा आ गई है. And with the gratitude writing and everything, it's been amazing whatever we do. Like मेरी भी एक पूरी डायरी almost done होने को आई है.
Wow.
Gratitude and everything.
Great.
And I had some issue with the blood pressure and all that, but अभी मुझे याद नहीं है कि मैंने 3-4 महीने से measure भी नहीं किया, because I'm not feeling any change, only कि मैं कुछ हुआ symptom है कि मैं कुछ check करूं. So it is going on very good, and just an amazing journey with you. I still want to be that way the way we are.
I know, see, Dhara, you are also a diamond member, and I've made diamond members do some silly things also, which has,
But that was the best thing, because वो think ही नहीं कर सकते और वो मजा आता था. That was very different. We enjoyed doing all that, the Navratri thing.
Yeah.
वो सब लिखना था, कुछ किया है, but it was very much fun.
Right. See, healing should be fun, right? It should not be a bore. Right? True. And so, Dhara, what was that one thing or one or two things that you would say that, that actually helped me a lot?
The Rechaka Pranayam, I really go with that because your video recording is very good.
Okay.
So anytime I feel, mostly I do it in the morning time only. Or else if I miss it out, I just make it a point that I should do that. That is the best thing. And DMH, I really enjoy that, and I'm missing that now. The tapping, the dance part, like 2-3 minutes only we dance, but it's such a fun. You forget all your stress and you are out of it.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So we are doing it 2 times in a week. Let's see if I can bring it back again, because even Archana was asking for DMH. All right. And what is that one advice that you would give everyone here? Let us know.
Try to attend the sessions in live. Recording to hai, but live mein you can interact. Like how the Geeta session, we also interact, and वो इंटरेक्शन में ज्यादा मजा आता है एंड यू गेट टू लाइक क्लैरिटी आ जाती है. So everyone please try to do it in the live session.
Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dhara,
Oh.
for trusting this community. And it's like you are Aadhar of this community. Okay. That's how we have started initially, right? When I
Yeah.
started to make all these things. So thank you so much. And, we have some amazing things lined up for you all. So we'll see how it goes.
Just waiting for all the amazing things to come and do with the full community.
Definitely, definitely. Thank you so much. I want every one of you to please unmute. I'm just allowing you to unmute. Yes. Now you can please unmute and say congratulations to Dhara. Everyone.
Congratulations, Dara.
Congratulations, Dara.
You are always an inspiration for me. Congrats.
Congratulations, Dhara.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And thank you, Dhara. Yes. And now muting every one of you here back again. And yes, let's go back to our next winner. All right. So before we go to the next winner, please note that we have top 3 winners also. So don't go. It's going to be very, very amazing talks. You will listen to everybody here. You may also get motivated and inspired, and you also start doing it. See, we spend so much time, money, and energy in medicines and doctors and diagnostics and all. I want you to spend that little time here and listen to their stories, which can inspire you. All right. So coming to the next winner here, just give me a second, sharing my screen. Yes, after Dhara, we have our next heart champion. Just give me a thumbs up if my screen is visible. Yes. Okay. So our next heart champion is Mr. Kannan. Kannan ji, congratulations. And I'm stopping my screen here. I have to search. Where are you? I don't know. Where are you? Kannan ji, are you here? Can you raise your hands? I think I saw him. Yes, Kannan ji, I can see you here. All right. I'm adding you to the spotlight. I want every one of you to please start typing congratulations to Kannan ji. Again, a very consistent person who has been consistently attending all those sessions. And yes, Kannan ji, congratulations for being a heart champion, for completing all those missions. And I'm asking you to unmute. Please unmute and tell us a little about yourself. Okay. And also tell us what was your issue? What are the issues that you have got resolved? And yes, please, over to you, Kannan ji. Yes.
Thank you a lot, madam. Actually, really, I am totally impressed by your all the things. Actually, really, I cannot express my words. Actually, this type of counseling is required in our day-to-day life, which we are not getting from many doctors or any health issues. So, really, you are the good mentor, and you are like, you can say, like God.
No,
Kannan ji. We can tell, madam, you whether you accept or not. We can tell you actually. There is a proverb, Vaidyo Narayano Hari, like that. You see, you are little bit, you are guiding, and really we are getting benefit. But I am lagging in my side. Actually, I could not do it 100% commitment. Daily used to ask.
Absolutely okay.
Even though I got a little 2-3 benefits, I want to tell that benefit. BP has a little bit come down. As earlier people told, I have stopped measuring also. That is a good symptoms. I was really feeling happy. And my anxiety level also came down.
Sorry, which one?
I got a lot of benefit. Anxiety was more actually. When I used to drive by two-wheeler or going to office and all, I used to get always some little bit tensed. I have to go on time, and always some stress will be there. Now I felt that that stress has reduced. I don't know how it is reduced. And especially that recheck pranayama, it helped to reduce my belly also. And effective things, I have reduced my weight from 73 to almost 68 with this thing. Really, I am great thankful to you, madam.
In only this 9 weeks of time, you could
9 weeks of time. When I stopped sugar, really it got benefited. But after that, I could not continue actually, because of, as you told, many people, when we are ready to stop, that time only all type of problems comes. People used to come with sweet and take like that. So we are having tested. So anyhow, I tried. It was good actually. I'll really continue this thing, and I am really feeling the benefit. So I feel everybody should do that commitment. And thank you very much, madam. I cannot express my
Thank,
thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
thank you,
Thank you.
Kananji. I'm seeing your score. Your score in mind part has improved a lot.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So
Yeah,
tell
yeah.
us about that. So I think you mentioned about anxiety and
Ah,
stress
thanks.
coming down,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
That only came down. And getting
Oh,
angry also reduced. Fighting with other people in my family. So let them
okay,
do
that has been
whatever they
reduced.
want. As you daily we hear now, let them do whatever they want. That
Let them
word,
do.
na, it is my always remembering. So I feel better actually. Good. Thank you, madam.
Wow. Thank you so much, Kananji. And
Thank you.
as you already mentioned, Rechaka Pranayam is one thing which helped you a lot. Other than that, anything else which helped you?
Madam,
Just
actually, I want to ask you actually that you told that one more pranayamam actually that you told February month you have to start it actually. Whether I could not continue the classes many times actually.
no
So
problem,
whether
no
the
problem. Anyhow, we are going to do it again in the month of March. So please
okay,
join.
madam.
Okay.
Thank you very
So
much. Thank you very much.
one advice, what would you want to give to others if they want to achieve something?
Yeah. Listen to you, follow you. That is the main advice. Try to be 100% commitment. Try to at least. So
At least.
with a little bit commitments, we are getting benefit and seeing real things. So if you are having 100% commitments, really we cannot express that. For surely we are going to get. That is my assurance to everybody. So they should have that. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, Kannanji. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank
I
you.
want every one of you to please unmute and say congratulations to Kannanji.
Congratulations, Kananji.
Congratulations, Kananji.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Kananji, congratulations.
Thank you, everyone. Muting you all back here. And yes, going back to our next winner here. See, as Kannanji has mentioned that, I always ask you to put your 100% into it, and definitely you're going to get results. But these practices are so that, even if you start, you will start to see the results in 10 days, in 20 days also. But when you are consistent in this 3 months, if you are giving, right, then there will be definitely magic that will happen that you will also not expect. You will not understand how it has happened. What is happening in the background, you'll not understand, because the meditations and the pranayam, that is going to go very deep. Okay. So and it changed personality, right? See, many a times when we get some issue, some health issue, what we start doing is we just start taking a pill, right? But we are not looking about how our mood was, how our emotional state was I eating right, what was my water intake, how was my lifestyle, was I watching a lot of news? I don't know how many of you are watching news today. It's like war going to come up and all, right? All that, if you continuously watch, they are not going to get anything. We are only going to get the issues, right? So just hold on to it, right? So coming to our next heart champion here. This champion has got award last time also, and this time also she's here with the award. I want to bring her photograph up on the screen. Yes. After Kannanji, our next heart champion is Shakuntala ji. She has participated once again and got this amazing award. So I'm just stopping my screen here. Shakuntala ji, bringing you on spotlight. Thank you so much for joining. And I want every one of you to please type congratulations to Shakuntala ji. See, when we are congratulating somebody else, right, the positive energy comes back to us also. Hai na? So congratulations, Shakuntala ji. I want you to please unmute and let us know what are those results that you have got. Yes, Shakuntala ji.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's my pleasure. But
Yes,
I am very much happy. I can't say
I'm just
this,
happy.
but yeah, I'm happy. Really happy.
Wow.
I'm feeling very much better. इन मतलब शुगर भी कम हो गई है मेरी, काफी कंट्रोल में है। और हाँ, नहीं बहुत, और स्लीप भी ठीक हो गई है।
Okay.
और मतलब डिसिप्लिन जो मेरे सिस्टर ने बोला सेम हियर, नहीं तो
Okay.
मतलब हाँ बहुत ही अच्छा हो गया मैम। और मेडिटेशन करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, स्पेशली
Meditation.
प्राणा ध्यान बहुत ही अच्छे। अभी जो अपना ये एक जो हुआ था 1 वीक वाला, वो करके बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे।
Oh, the 1 week
इट इज वेरी,
challenge.
या
हाँ.
इट इज वेरी इफेक्टिव एंड बहुत अच्छा। और मैम जो आपने हैप्पी हार्ट इसमें जो रिलेशनशिप वाला बताया वो बहुत ही अच्छा है, मतलब बहुत ही आई थिंक यूजफुल है सबके लिए डेली वे में इसमें, क्योंकि हम बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम मतलब नहीं सोच पाते उस बारे में। जो
Hmm.
जैसे सैड न्यूज है उसमें भी कुछ ना कुछ हैप्पीनेस होती है,
Hmm.
मतलब गुड होता है उसमें।
Yeah,
तो
correct.
जैसे हाँ हम लोग आर्मी से हैं, तो जैसे हमारे वहां पे ना एक बार फ्लड आया था मनाली में, तो
अच्छा.
फ्लड से सब डिस्टर्ब हो गए थे, बट लॉन्ग रन में क्या हुआ कि सब फैमिलीज को चंडीगढ़ शिफ्ट कर दिया, तो मतलब बच्चों के लिए वो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज हो गई। तो
Hmm.
ब्लेसिंग्स थी, ब्लेसिंग्स इन डिसगाइज कह लीजिए आप। जो भी
Yeah.
कैलेमिटी आती है ना उसमें कुछ ब्लेसिंग्स होती है ना। तो
अभी आप वो
और आज
अच्छी चीजें भी देखने लग गए हो उसमें, है ना?
या बिल्कुल बिल्कुल मैम, हाँ। और आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, मेरी बिटिया को पीएचडी की डिग्री मिली है,
Oh,
तो हम अभी वही,
congratulations.
हाँ थैंक यू। तो आज मैं वैसे भी बहुत खुश हूँ, और आपने और खुश कर दिया।
All
थैंक यू
right, all
सो
right.
मच।
Thank you, Shakuntala ji, for
थैंक
participating.
थैंक
Before you leave, एक एडवाइस, क्योंकि आप एक सीनियर मेंबर हो, आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे यहाँ सारे लोग जो बैठे हैं, जो आपको सुन रहे हैं, प्लीज बताइए.
एक तो खुश रहना तो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है, और मतलब रेगुलरिटी मैम, आपका जो लाइव सेशन करते हैं ना उसमें एक अलग ही वाइब्स होती है, पॉजिटिव वाइब्स। मेरे को आपसे बात करके रियली बहुत अच्छा लगता है। सभी यही बोल रहे हैं, बट आई रियली थैंकफुल टू यू, थैंक यू
Right,
सो मच, थैंक
right.
यू सो मच।
Thank you, Shakuntala ji. I want every one of you to please unmute and say congratulations to
Congratulations.
Shakuntala ji.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Shakuntala ji.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Shakuntala ji.
Congrats, Shakuntala ji.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Shakuntala ji.
Congratulations.
Uh,
Congratulations, Shakuntala ji.
So, muting you all here. And yes, let's move to our next heart champion. Sharing my screen back again here. So, after Shakuntala ji, our next heart champion is, I hope you are able to see my screen. Yes. Okay. So, our next heart champion is Shweta. Shweta, again, a very consistent person performing all those missions, all those tasks which I have been giving her. And yes, where is Shweta? I have to. Yes, I can see you. All right, adding you to the spotlight. Congratulations, Shweta. I want every one of you to please type congratulations for her. And Shweta, I want you to unmute now. Tell us about a little about yourself. आप कहाँ से हो? क्या issue था? And what are the results that you have got? I see that your score has improved from last time to this time. So please let us know. Over to you, Shweta.
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Neha ji.
Krishna.
Yes, I have joined from December only, from 15 or 17 December.
Okay.
So in these 3 months, I have seen many changes in my life, but exactly I'm not able to notice. But
Okay.
yes, that is, you can say, feel good factor. I can say
Hmm.
that.
Okay.
Being happy of no reason, just like I used to dance like that only without reason.
Oh, wow. That is what we want, right? That's why I've kept the name of this community as Happy Hearts Hub. Happy for no reason. Okay.
Me and my son, just we both dance without anything. He used to beat that plate and I used to dance. The whole day we used to do that whenever we get time. और
Okay.
वो भी देख के पुराने सॉन्ग समथिंग लाइक अपनी तोतली आवाज में बोलता है, तो वी बोथ एंजॉय। एंड मोर ओवर कि एक एंगर रिड्यूस हो गया है,
Hmm.
कामनेस आ गई है, और सिचुएशन को थोड़ा एकदम वी कैन से प्रॉम्प्टली रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करना है, एक उसको समझ के वी हैव टू उसको रिस्पॉन्स करना है, मतलब एकदम तुरंत से नहीं रहना है। और काफी कुछ चेंजेस फील कर रही हूँ, ब्रीथिंग में बहुत अच्छा हो गया है। आई यूज टू डू योगा, मतलब ट्राइंग टू डू विदाउट ब्रेक, योगा एवरी
Hmm.
डे, रेत चक्र प्राणायाम एंड मेडिटेशन। आई लव मेडिटेशन। अभी मेडिटेशन मेरा फोकस बहुत अच्छा, बहुत 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 अच्छा हो गया है। that I can't explain in words. मतलब पहले मुझे बहुत शिकायत रहती थी, अरे मैं उधर जा रही हूँ, नेगेटिव थॉट्स एंड ऑल दैट थिंग्स, बट अभी आई कैन से कि मेरा काफी हद तक अपने माइंड पे खुद से कंट्रोल है. आई हैव टू डू दैट, तो दैट ओनली. काफी
Wow.
हद तक बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट है.
That is such an important point, Shweta, that, getting control on yourself, on your emotions, and, getting control on your anger. That is actually a big achievement. Okay, congratulations for that. And what is that one practice that you would say that has helped you a lot? Is it meditation or the other things which in the missions that have helped you? What could it be?
One main thing I like to say to everyone, just when we are doing mission, all that missions, we are just writing down the points. That is technically, theoretically. But when we implement it, then only we get the answer. Actual में आपको उसके आंसर खुद से खुद मिल जाते हैं. We don't need to bother. मतलब मेरे साथ ये इश्यू था कि अरे ऐसा क्यों. तो when I used to do meditation, तो मुझे उसके खुद से आंसर मिल रहे हैं. Now काफी queries मेरी खुद से within meditation solved हुई है.
Wow. Great,
And
great.
within meditation only, I can hear my heartbeat from wrist also. Yeah, I can feel the pumping of the blood. I can hear that.
While you're doing meditations.
Yeah, I can hear. And I used to smile during meditation also. मतलब वो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है. I can hear that heartbeat था, तो smile comes.
Automatically.
Smile comes.
Okay.
Meditation was so soothing that I cry and वो रुकते नहीं है आंसू. I used to cry.
So thank you so much. And you've got so many amazing results. And I know you were the one who used to ask a lot of questions, right? So one thing I would like to tell others, everyone here, don't feel shy. I'm here to answer your questions. You ask me any question, I'm here to answer your question, right? And Shweta, one more thing, one question I would like you to answer, that there are many people who have joined from some of the people who are not from our community also. So what would you like to say? Should they join? Should they not join? Just let me know.
Definitely. At least take one step. Second step खुद से आएगा. Just take a step. Just take a step.
Right.
You feel really amazing. I feel like whole 7 days we have to be there. At least for 10-20 minutes. But for 10-20 minutes, it lasts for 1.5 hours. We don't come to know.
Correct. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Shweta. Thank you and congratulations once again. I want every one of you to please unmute and say congratulations to Shweta.
Congratulations, Shweta.
Congratulations, Shweta ji.
Shweta, very good.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congrats, ma'am.
All right. I'm muting you all here back again. And yes, coming to the next heart champion, coming back to my screen, sharing the photograph here. So our next heart champion is Rajesh. Rajesh, again, a consistent person who has consistently been doing meditations, especially in Brahma Muhurat. Okay, so I'm bringing him on spotlight. So I want every one of you to please type congratulations to Rajesh. And Rajesh, over to you, unmuting you here. Please let us know आपके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, आप क्या करते हैं, कहाँ से हैं, आपके issue क्या थे, and what are the results that you have got? Yes,
Okay.
over to you, Rajesh ji.
Hare Krishna, ma'am.
Hare Krishna.
I am from Maharashtra district Parbhani.
Oh, okay.
और मुझे मैम 2023 से बीपी का प्रॉब्लम था. और
Okay.
सभी लोग मुझे ऐसा बताते थे कि भाई अब तुझे बीपी चालू हुआ तो तेरे जो मेडिसिन है तो तुझे पूरी लाइफ तुझे मेडिसिन लेना ही पड़ेगा. इसलिए मैं बहुत डिस्टर्ब हुआ उस तरह से. और मैं कहीं सोच रहा था कि ऐसा कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा कि जहाँ मुझे मेडिसिन फ्री कोई बताएगा कि तू मेडिसिन फ्री भी हो सकता है. और फिर मुझे आपके हैप्पी हार्ट फैमिली के बारे में पता चला और मैंने उसे ज्वाइन किया. और ज्वाइन करते ही जब मैंने पहला अपना सेशन ज्वाइन किया और स्टार्ट किया तो बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा था. और इसलिए मुझे जो कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया कि भाई इससे मैं फ्री हो सकता हूँ कि अगर सेशन में पूरे करूँगा, आज से फैमिली से ज्वाइन रहूँगा तो मेरे जो मेडिसिन है आज न तो कल कम हो जाएगी या फिर मैं फ्री हो जाऊँगा. और ये बहुत बड़ा मुझे मैं खुद को लकी समझता हूँ कि आपसे फैमिली से मैं ज्वाइन किया. और दूसरी बात कि जो मुझे कभी भी मेरी बीवी का और मुझे हमेशा झगड़ा होता था। और मैं
हम्म
सेशन में ही बताया कि भाई झगड़ा होने के बाद हम बहुत दोनों टेंशन में रहते थे, और टेंशन में रहने के बाद मुझे हर वक्त लगता था कि भाई इतना में झगड़ा हो रहा है, एक दिन मुझे अटैक आकर मेरा कुछ हो जाएगा। और
हम्म
जब मैं फैमिली ज्वाइन किया तो ये जो फियर था मेरे दिल में का, ये पूरा निकल गया। और मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मुझे अब कुछ हो सकता है, या जो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है। ये बहुत बड़ा
राइट।
मेरा अचीवमेंट मैं सोचता हूँ। और मेरी
एंड
स्लीप
ये
प्रॉब्लम भी
बात
थी।
ना राजेश जी, आप ऑनेस्टली बहुत अच्छे से सबको बता भी रहे हैं, बट ये एक बहुत ही कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है एक्चुअली। बहुत सारे फैमिलीज में होता है कि लड़ाई झगड़ा हो गया एंड देन योर हार्ट रेट इज गोइंग अप
यस
एंड
यस यस
सडनली
यस
समथिंग हैपेंस। सो हमको वो,
यस यस।
अगर ये बार बार होता है ना, तो वो कब पाइल अप हो रहा है, वो
हाँ
कब अंदर से जमा हो रहा है, वो हमको पता नहीं चलता। सो
हाँ।
दैट इज ग्रेट। यस, प्लीज कंटिन्यू। यस
और
राजेश जी।
मेरी नींद का जो प्रॉब्लम था, मुझे नींद रात के 2-3 बजे मेरी नींद खुलती थी और फिर नींद ही नहीं आती थी। और
ओके।
इससे मैं बहुत परेशान था कि नींद क्यों नहीं आई। जब से मैंने चक्रा हीलिंग मेडिटेशन या ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में किया है, ये मेरा बहुत प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया है। अब मैं जब भी एग्जैक्टली एट 10 o'clock आई गो टू स्लीप एंड आई वेक अप एट नियर अबाउट 4 o'clock,
4 o'clock।
and I daily do the heart meditation in
ओके।
Brahma Muhurt also.
वाओ, ग्रेट ग्रेट। वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। क्योंकि ब्रह्म मुहूर्त विल गिव यू मोर रिजल्ट्स एक्चुअली। ओके।
Yes, 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 ma'am. Yes, yes.
यस
And
राजेश।
I fill the Google form daily. Therefore,
हाँ,
I
द
know
ट्रैकर।
what. Yes, yes. उससे मुझे
ओके।
पता चलता है कि आज मुझे क्या क्या रहेगा इस फॉर्म में भरने का। शुगर फ्री मुझे चाय की आदत इतनी थी मैम, मैं हर रोज एक 10 से 12 चाय पीता था।
10 से
और
12?
यस यस यस, ये
बाप रे।
बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम था।
ओके।
मुझे उसके सिवा नींद ही नहीं आती थी, और जब भी मैं जागता था सुबह, तो मुझे पहले चाय चाय लगती थी। तो ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम बहुत सॉल्व हो गया। मैं चाय पूरी पूरी तरह से बंद ही कर दिया। मुझे अभी
बस
चाय ही
इतने
नहीं।
2-3 महीनों में ही?
यस 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 मैम। जब से
वाओ,
ज्वाइन किया, जब आपने
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
बताया कि यू शुड बी शुगर फ्री, जब से मैंने चाय लेना ही बंद किया।
ग्रेट।
मेरी बीवी परेशान हो गई, तुम इतना कैसे चेंज हो गए, चाय को तुमको इतनी लगती थी, आप कैसा क्या। मैं बोला ये सब
वाओ,
हैप्पी फैमिली का ये दिया हुआ है। और
ग्रेट
मेरा
ग्रेट, दैट्स ए बिग अचीवमेंट राजेश जी। आप अपने आप को कितना बचा रहे हैं, आपको खुद नहीं पता।
हाँ हाँ
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस राजेश जी। एंड आपका बीपी एंड ऑल, हाउ इट इज नाउ?
हाँ। नाउ इट इज नॉर्मल। पहले
वाओ।
150 के ऊपर रहता था, अभी 130-140 के आसपास ही चल रहा है। और
ग्रेट।
मेरी जो स्कूल थी, मेरी स्कूल, अभी मैं टीचर हूँ मैम। आई एम टीचर इन जिला परिषद
अच्छा।
in Parvani also. My school
वाओ।
is near about 9 kilometer from my home.
ओके।
और जब भी मैं स्कूल 2 व्हीलर से जाता हूँ, तो जो रेचिका प्राणायाम है, मैं उस पे ही कंप्लीट करता हूँ।
क्या बात है।
डेली डेली।
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। रेचा का प्राणायाम इज सो फ्लेक्सिबल कि आप
यस,
कहीं पर भी उसको कर सकते हो।
कर सकते हैं, हाँ। ये बहुत बड़ा
हाँ,
बेनिफिट।
करेक्ट
और मेरा
करेक्ट।
एंगर भी बहुत रिड्यूस हो गया मैम। एंगर भी मुझे बहुत कम आता है, और मैं लेट गो बहुत करता हूँ अभी। जब
अच्छा,
भी मुझे,
ओके।
हाँ, लेट गो, कुछ झगड़ा होता है कुछ, वो मैं लेट गो करता हूँ उसे। ज्यादा
हम्म
मैं अभी सीरियस नहीं लेता। कौन से बड़ा अगर प्रॉब्लम हुआ, तो मुझे पता है कि आज ना कल कुछ देर के बाद वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होने वाला है। इसलिए मैं
हम्म
बहुत जल्दी टेंशन में आता था, छोटे छोटे बातों से बहुत टेंशन में आता था। लेकिन ये जो टेंशन है अभी बहुत कम हो गया। अब
हम्म।
मैं ले रहा ही नहीं ज्यादा लेट गो, जैसे आपने बताया कि लेट गो करना चाहिए, तो ये
हाँ,
प्रॉब्लम भी मेरा सॉल्व हो गया।
क्या बात है। तो आपके झगड़े भी कम हो गए?
हाँ, झगड़े तो बहुत कम हो गए, अभी झगड़े ही नहीं
बहुत कम
होते।
हो गए।
अगर सामने वाला झगड़े नहीं करेगा, तो दूसरा कोई एक्ट ही नहीं करेगा ना।
एक्ट नहीं करेगा। नो रिएक्शन, नो एक्शन, नो
नो
रिएक्शन।
रिएक्शन, नो रिएक्शन। इसलिए बहुत कम हो गया अभी।
Very good, very good. Congratulations, Rajesh ji.
यस यस मैडम, यस।
You've got amazing results. And what is that one thing? I think it's meditations for you that have worked
यस यस
well, right?
यस। ऑन मेडिटेशन, आई डू
Meditation.
डेली मेडिटेशन।
Okay, okay. And what is that one advice you would give to everybody out here?
टू बी सिंसियर
To
and
listen.
join the live sessions, do the meditations, and
Right.
fill the Google form daily. This is the
हाँ.
main. Yes, if when you fill the daily Google form, then you know that what are the backdrops we have left it from the Google.
Right, right.
Yes,
Thank you
yes.
so much, Rajesh ji. And I want every one of you to please unmute and say congratulations to Rajesh ji here.
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations, Rajesh.
Congratulations, Rajesh ji.
Congratulations.
All,
Congratulations to Rajesh. Thank you very much. You have done very good.
all right.
Congratulations.
Congratulations once again and bringing up another champion here. All right. So stay with us because we have the top 3 winners also coming up. Okay. So our next heart champion, I'm just bringing that up on the screen. Just give me a second. Okay. After Rajesh, our next heart champion is Rajiv ji. Rajiv ji, congratulations. I'm stopping my screen here. Just let me check if you're there because I have not seen you. Rajiv ji is here, not there. Rajiv ji is here. Rajiv ji, if you can please come on camera, I can put you on spotlight. Yes. Yes, Rajiv ji,
Yeah.
congratulations for being a heart champion. And again, I know you have got some results. I would like you to please आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताइए and let us know what are the results that you have got.
Yeah,
Rajiv ji.
Yeah. Am I able? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
ओके ओके नेहा जी, पहले तो आपको सबसे बड़ा थैंक्स, क्योंकि आप इस एज में भी और हमसे ज्यादा मैच्योरिटी वाली समझाती हैं हमें. तो ऑल्दो आई हैव बीन डूइंग प्राणायाम अर्लियर आल्सो बट विदाउट डायरेक्शन, लेकिन मुझे आपके प्राणायाम, मेडिटेशन और चक्र हीलिंग से डायरेक्शन मिला है कि भाई इनको करना है. इवन इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू अटेंड योर सेशन, आई एम डूइंग चक्रा, लुकिंग एट योर वीडियोस. इस वीडियो को खोल के मैं चक्रा करता हूँ, और ये एक आपका अफर्मेशन जो आपने दिया है, तो उससे मुझे बहुत डिसीजन मेकिंग में हेल्प हुई है कि भाई अगर कोई बात होती है तो मैं कहता हूँ नहीं नहीं, मेरे को ये कहा गया है कि लेट इट गो, डोंट थिंक. तो वो उससे जो है मेरे को बहुत इजी रहता है. नहीं तो मैं पहले प्रेशर लेता था, ये करना वो करना, ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा. और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि आई हैव स्टार्टेड फीलिंग ग्रेटिट्यूड फॉर अदर्स, जो कि मैं पहले इतना नहीं था. Even to my mother, even to my wife, or maybe surrounding sun, water, everything, even my car. So I'm highly thankful to them, and I used to pay high gratitude to them. And plus एक मेरा जो कोलेस्ट्रॉल की बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल इम्प्रूव हो गया है इससे. तो मेडिटेशन से और चक्र हीलिंग से. चक्र हीलिंग इज वेरी इफेक्टिव.
So your ratings have come down. Bad cholesterol.
बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल जो है मेरा बेटर हो गया, जो कि पहले नेगेटिव में था, रेंज में नहीं था, अब रेंज में आ गया है.
Okay. Very good, very good.
और सबसे बड़ी बात तो कि मैं ग्रेटिट्यूड फील करता हूँ औरों के लिए. इवन मुझे कोई कुछ कहता भी है तो आई ट्राई टू इग्नोर दैट एंड सी दैट अफर्मेशन वीडियो इज वेरी हेल्पफुल टू ऑल. उससे डिसीजन मेकिंग हेल्प होती है हमारी. और एंड मे बी अभी तो मेरे को कुछ मेडिकल इशू है, नहीं तो मैं कुछ सेशंस आपका अटेंड नहीं कर पाया हूँ. लेकिन आई फील आई अटेंडिंग देम बाय सीइंग योर वीडियोस एंड डू दी हार्ट चक्रा maybe for 12 minutes and meditation. So that is very helpful to me.
Wow, great. Thank you, Rajiv ji, for you've got wonderful results. I want you to be, you continue and joining us again because we are going to start the Healathon again. So be there, and I hope it is going to be wonderful for you. So what is the one advice that you would give others also here that they can also improve? Please let us know.
My advice is that one has to be consistent and don't expect results. Results will come automatically if you are consistent. So so अगर सुबह 5-6 बजे का जो सेशन है मिस भी होता है तो let it go, और जिनमें आपकी वीडियोस आप अपलोड करती हैं उसको देख सकते हैं हम जब भी टाइम मिले.
very
Ji.
helpful. Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Thank you so much, Rajiv ji. I want every one of you to please unmute and say congratulations to Rajiv ji. Yes, every one of you, please.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Rajiv ji.
Congratulations, Rajiv ji.
Congrats,
Congratulations.
Rajiv ji.
Rajesh
That's
ji,
like that.
congratulations.
Congratulations, Rajiv.
All right, so muting you all here. Thank you so much, Rajiv ji. And let's move on to our next heart champion. Yes, so there are so many people who have got results, and in fact, 2-3 people are out of country. They are traveling, and I could not put their name here. But now I want to give away the top 3 winners award. Okay, so the top 3 winners that जिनका score बहुत अच्छे से improve किया है, and those are the top 3 winners which has not just inspired the entire community but also me somehow somewhere. Okay, so bringing the 3 heart champions, the top 3 winners here, and let me just bring up the first top 3 winner on the screen. Rupa ji. Congratulations, Rupa ji. You are one of the top 3 winners. I want every one of you to type congratulations to Rupa ji. Let me check if she's here, not there. Just let me see. Rupa ji, are you here? I don't know if she's here. Yes, no. Anybody finds her, just let me know. And let me search her name. No, I don't think Rupa ji is here. So even if she's not here, let me tell about her that yes, she was able to bring her BP to a normal range and reduce her medication also. And she has reduced her sugar levels also. And of course, her anger has gone. She, I think once in one of our, sessions, she has mentioned that. Okay. So congratulations, Rupa ji. If you're seeing this recording, this is for you. I want every one of you to please unmute for her, and we will send this recording to her. Okay, just say congratulations to Rupa ji.
Congratulations, Rupa ji.
Congratulations, Rupa ji.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Rupa ji.
All right. Thank you, every one of you out there, and putting you all on mute. And let's go to our next heart champion. The top 3 winners. The second top winner here is, of course, Bharti ji. Bharti ji, congratulations. I am 100% sure you are here, bringing you on spotlight. I want every one of you to please type congratulations to Bharti ji. She's not just inspiring others, she's inspiring me also here. And even though she has not got that much freedom, but she is trying to do everything that I'm asking her to do. Right. So let's hear from Bharti ji. Yes, Bharti ji, please unmute. आप बताइए अपने बारे में, and what worked for you, what results you have got. Yes, Bharti ji.
Yeah. So I can say that despite not being able to put so much effort which I would have liked to put in, still I have got good results.
Exactly.
My anxiety has been contained. Yes, I have given up on sugar. I have given up on tea.
Okay.
So following these things also is giving me great results.
Wow. Great.
And I am amazed at what would happen if I could really sincerely attend the Diamond membership, take up that and do all the meditations.
Right.
But whatever you say, that much within my means, I do it very consistently, very genuinely I do it,
Wow.
So even a chakra meditation, I do it on my own if I don't find time to do it with your recording. But I do it. No?
Wow.
So in the beginning, you had told us that now you do it on your own. So then I keep following that.
Wow.
The recording will take time, so I interchange it like that. But excellent, very nice. Like, you keep us on track. You keep us motivated to do things, and each and every day that happens.
I'm here for you 100%, and
Yeah, thank you for being
you
that
know,
support system.
and I'm able to do it because of you all only. Otherwise, why would I do, right? Because you are showing up, I'm also coming up and showing up, right? So Bharti ji, what was that one thing that worked well for you? Is it chakra healing or pranadhyan meditation? Which one would you say?
The meditations, definitely the meditations.
Okay.
Yeah, they work. I inherently also believe very much in meditations. I was desperately looking out कि भाई कोई तो guided meditation करवाने वाला हो. And God leaded me to you. The universe led me to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Bharti ji. And what is that one message that you would be giving to everyone out here from your side? Not just as this community or from my side or nothing like that, just as a human to human.
Yeah, अगर किसी चीज के लिए आप ठान लो और उसके पीछे पड़ जाओ, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि ऐसी कोई भी चीज है जो नहीं आप पा सकते.
Absolutely right.
अगर उसके कम से कम एफर्ट दोगे डालोगे तो भी रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे.
Wow. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Bharti ji. Thank you so much. I want every one of you to please unmute and say congratulations to Bharti ji.
Congratulations, Bharti ji. You have been such an inspiration. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Bharti ji. Yes, you're always an inspiration.
Yes, thank you, Bharti ji, and putting you all on mute back again. And yes, let's go to the top one more top winner here, and that will be the last champion award that we are going to give. So yes, bringing that on the screen. Just let me know. Just give me a thumbs up if my screen is visible to you. And this time, all the 3 top winners are the women only. Okay. The next heart champion, the top 3 winner is, of course, Geeta ji. Congratulations, Geeta ji. And I think you are a face for consistency, I guess, from my side, that, you show up, you never give up, that never give up attitude that you have, even after facing so much in life, that you have never ever decided to give up. Otherwise, if it was maybe me also in your situation or somebody else in your situation, they would have definitely given up and thought ki, bhai, my life is like this only now, I don't want anything else, right? So but in your case, you are that person. You can say that I have this never give up attitude, right? I want every one of you to please type congratulations to Geeta ji, our top heart champion here. Yes, Geeta ji, please tell us a little about yourself and what issues and what are the results that you have got. Please, over to you, Geeta ji.
First of all, I congratulate, not congratulate, I thank Neha ji so much. See, I'm a bit of an emotional person.
It's okay. It's absolutely fine.
See, the thing was, I was in a very, very, very bad state. I was under depression. For me, everything was a problem. I was a total pessimist, you can say. Everything was a problem. If I don't sneeze twice, that was a problem. If I don't smile, that was a problem. Every single thing was a problem. And so I went into depression when I was working only for the past 15 maybe years. And there was a time and there was a time even when I even contemplated something that I should never have thought of even. I tried, but it failed. I mean, there were certain things that made me like that. I'm not ashamed anymore to tell all this. But all that was hidden in me. But then I realized because of that, stress is a great factor for us getting diseases. See, I got cancer and that made me depressed even more. And it was just after I retired. And then I was under that treatment. Then, of course, almost all my savings, which I had worked for nearly 34 years, all my savings went for that treatment. Fortunately, both of us were working, so things went on smoothly. If it was someone who was much below level, they would have not survived. But I am telling you, I survived only because I had that money at that time. The next thing that happened to me was after, when I was almost finishing my cancer, I got a major heart attack, and that was another big, what do you say, a big blow on me. So then I didn't know what to do. I thought I was a gone case. But then I went angioplasty, and one thing I would like to say, when I was under depression, each time I used to go to the doctor, the psychiatrist would just keep on increasing my medicines. There was never a time he would give me a patient listening. He just kept on increasing my dosage. So yeah, and I'm a person who's quite addicted to the mobile, I can say, because I wanted my mind out of it, which is also very bad. But whatever it is, it was like a divine light that entered into me by seeing Nehaji's masterclass. So I just, before that, I had entered some other class, which I spent quite a bit of money, but I found it was not at all. She was also a lady, but then she was not very committed to her profile, what she was doing. After joining Neha, just so much of personal touch, so much of personal mentoring, anything we can ask. That was anyway. I got into, and then I joined Silver, and within 1 week or 2 weeks, I joined Diamond, because I knew I was not going to leave her. I will be her. She will be my mentor, because see, there's one thing about Nehaji. See, she listens. Any small thing. See, I'm not saying I have become I'm not a perfect person as it, but there in between this period also, I have had 2 breakdowns. I immediately contacted Nehaji, and she gave me a hearing. And so much of that happy relationships, those lessons, they are so useful. They are so useful, means so useful. And another thing is, Nehaji has mentioned about Joe Dispenza, Mel Robbins. I immediately bought those books. I'm a very impulsive person, somebody says something, I immediately. Anyway, whatever it is, I bought those 2 books, and that Mel Robbins book is just awesome. I've just reached half of it. I'm telling, Mel Robbins, it's really good. Let them do what they want. That has changed my life completely, I'm telling you. And and there are other things. What I would like to say is this gratitude, affirmations. I make it a point to listen to it in the morning and before going to sleep. I'm a person who is I'm a total non-vegetarian, and now after hearing Nehaji's affirmations about how about all those animals, they are suffering, all that, I feel that I have to stop eating them. I have almost, it's quite some time since I ate meat. But then I tried being a vegetarian for 1.5 months, but then no, I couldn't. So I still eat fish, to tell you the truth, and eggs also.
Absolutely.
But those affirmations are really good. It's like something that gets into our mind, I just go to sleep hearing. Sometimes the earplugs will be, my earphones will be still in my ears when I get up in the morning. The affirmations must have stopped already. But then, but that will be in my, then about gratitude list. At the first time when Nehaji mentioned about it, for the first 2 weeks, I was quite, I scoffed it off, you can say. But I'm telling you, it has a marvelous effect on us. Then breathing. Breathing is just super. See, I never used to sleep. To tell you the truth, I never used to sleep. I was ever walking around in the house. My husband used to be so upset. And these breathing exercises are one that has changed my life forever. I sleep like a baby now. I have to just see the pillow, listen to my affirmations, listen to, and do my breathing, and I'm fast asleep.
So breathing means the Rechaka Pranayam.
Yeah, Rechaka Pranayam. I do box breathing also, ma'am. I also do box breathing. It's very, very effective. Then about chakra. Chakra is also very effective. Whenever I can, if daily once at least, I do it. I don't have to listen to the video again. Yeah, the audio is there. Even without the audio, once we do it, once you get into the practice, of course, there are affirmations Neha ji has told in between. That and all I may not say, but then I tell all those beach mantras, and I'm very happy with that.
Wow.
Then I'm smiling more, and I'm very, very happy. My husband itself has changed completely. I'm telling you, I think
My
I'm the
husband
one.
also personality changed.
I think I'm the one who has been causing all the problems at home at times, because it was my attitude actually. Everything was what was said and done. I used to see only the negative part of it. Even if he was trying to tell me something positive, I used to think only of the negative side. But things have changed, Neha ji. I'm telling you, I'm so happy. I've changed completely. I'm so happy because of that, and I'm telling you. It is only I am telling you, because I am telling one thing is be consistent. See, I did it because I suffered too much, and I don't want anyone else to suffer like this. Why spend on so much of money on unnecessary medicine? Medicine world is terrible. It is really terrible. They just keep on treating you. They'll never, you will believe that no one, even a cardiologist can always tell us, no, once we are out of this, after angioplasty, he can suggest, why don't you do some meditation? But they will never tell, because they want us to come back to that. Even now, even my cholesterol levels have become normal. My hypothyroidism, I don't take medicine.
Wow.
And depression tablets, I stopped it on my own. I refuse to go to the doctor again, because I know if I go, he will say nothing. Even if you Google and see antidepressants, they say, don't stop it on your own, taper it, never stop it on your own. That is all rubbish. I have stopped it. It's almost nearly 4 months now, 4 or 5 months, I think. I don't take it anymore. I've stopped it completely, and I don't have any problem about that. Only thing even now I'm a little emotional. I stuck.
Okay.
So what I would say is, even this Tadasan drills, no, it's very effective. It's supposed to be the second heart. Rechaka pranayam. Even Sheetali, I don't know. I can't roll my tongue. I do the Shitkari, the one through my teeth.
Shitkari. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very, very effective. And
Wow.
one more thing, I make it a point to comment, not for anything else. It's my feeling that comes out. You must have noticed, as soon after the thing, as soon as you put it up, I told you, I'm a very impulsive person. I feel I have to share what I have felt, so that others will read and get inspired. See, there are certain people who have, in between these classes, who have influenced me. See, Arunji, my God, I love that man. He's got that sweet smile on his face and so much of positivity in him. He's very, very, it's even this Bharati ji. My God, yeah, I've even called and spoken to her when I have some doubts, because I can't call you always, because she knows see, I've got this problem. Once I listened to a class one day, everything doesn't get. So what I do is I keep listening to it again and again when I want. So even Bharati, I've called and asked her, and I'm really surprised, even with all her difficulties, how she has got the smiling face always. I've never seen her not smiling. When in class, she's always smiling.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, even Javed ji. See, I'm a veterinarian, Javed ji, and I love that dog of yours. Even I had a lab, but it expired. But even he's always there, whatever it is, he's always attending the class. And all those are inspirations for us. And all those who write their comments, so much of inspiration we get from it. So what I would tell all you Selva members, don't think that diamond membership is something costly. It's peanuts, I'm telling you. The other classes which I have had, it's lakhs of rupees, which is of no use. See, for 50,000 or 60,000 or whatever it is nothing. It gives so much. See, it is lifetime. So we can see when we don't see. And the other thing was, they used to just give it for 90 days, and after that the whole recording was removed. We don't get a word from it. But here we have it throughout our life. So what do we have to lose? That Gita Sadhana, my God. That's Swadharma. I listened to it. Even today morning, I listened to it. It's the third or fourth time I'm listening to it. So much there is to learn from it. I'm telling you, silver members, of course, diamond members must be knowing what it is. And these meditations, and they are just great. Of course, yoga, I told you before, I'm a little lazy person regarding that. But then what I've done is now, just so that I can see, I've joined one yoga, this thing in the morning around 7:30, which I do in between, means I can see it directly. So so some things I do, something, at least I will see at least and then get inspired, I feel. So I spend some money on that. Okay. So my friends, I'm telling you, I have changed a lot, and I'm telling you, she's a wonderful girl. She's my little angel. Thank you so much, Nehaji. Thank you so much.
Thank you
You
so
don't know
much.
how much you have helped me and brought me out from a very bad life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Geeta ji, for actually participating, asking questions, and doing it. That is very important. Okay, I can go on with the meditations, pranayam, everything. But from your side, are you reciprocating it or not? That's very important, right? So thank you so much for participating, doing it. And when I see that notification that there is a comment on the post, I'm 100% sure it is Geeta ji there, that she has commented. So thank you so much that you're helping me build this community where we are inspiring each other. When I recently mentioned this, we are going into a world where AI is going to take up very badly. Okay, even our doctors are going to be replaced by AI robots there, right? So now in this phase of your life, a human to human connection will become luxury. I tell you, okay, a human to human connection will become a luxury, that okay, I have friend who I can sit, talk, discuss, question, answer, laugh. It will become a luxury thing. Okay, so that's why this community, do not think that okay, it's been 3 months, so I will be out of it. That's why I'm giving you a lifetime membership here, right? And yes, like Geeta ji, people, they are always motivating me also. If you are showing up, I'm also showing up, right? So thank you so much, Geeta ji, for inspiring everyone out here. I want every one of you to please give a big shout out to her. Say congratulations to Geeta ji.
Thank you.
I'm allowing you to unmute.
Kudos to you, Geeta ji.
Congratulations, Geeta ji. Lots of congratulations.
Thank you.
Lots of
To the whole
congratulations.
community. Congratulations,
you.
Geeta ji.
Congratulations, Geeta ji. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Geeta ji.
Congratulations, Geeta ji.
Wow, thank you everyone out there, muting you all here. And yes, Geeta ji, you're smiling a lot. I want you to surrender all that achievement that you have got, right? Not just you, all the other award winners here. Whatever you have achieved, right? See, even if it's not in a monetary terms, even if in our health terms, even if it's in our any other area of our life, कि जैसे किसी ने बोला anger कम हो गया, stress कम हो गया, I'm started not drinking this tea, I've stopped drinking tea, I've reduced the medicine, I've reduced this tablet, I've reduced that tablet. Sometimes it should not sit on our head. It should not happen that, right? So all the winners out there, I want every one of you to please do this with me. I want you to bring both your hands together. You can sit straight, close your eyes, relax your energy. And for a few moments, just visualize the divine energy in front of you, your Ishta Devta, or that anybody whom you believe in. If you don't believe in any God or anything, you can bring your parents in front of you, just visualize them. And as you look at them, as you look at this divine energy, I want you to surrender all that you have achieved. Say thank you that it's only because of you I could achieve this. Only because of you, I could achieve this. I surrender everything, all my achievements to you. And receive their blessings. Take a deep breath. Relax and gently open your eyes. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this celebration with me. And celebration is not complete without a dance. How many of you agree? I think we should, right? All right. So I want every one of you to please switch on your camera. I'm going to put on some music and just give me a second. Let me bring some music out there so that we can all just move and then we will leave. Okay. So here it is. All right. I want every one of you to please stand up.
गलियों में, राशन की फलियों में, बैलों में बीजों में, ईदों में बीजों में, रेतों के दानों में, फिल्मों के गानों में, सड़कों के गड्ढों में, बातों के अड्डों में, उनका रोज भर ले, 10-12 बार कर ले, रहना न यार पीछे, कितना भी कोई खींचे, बस है नाम है जी, जिद है तो जिद है जी, किसना यूं ही, किसना यूं ही, किसना यूं ही, बस करिए, कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तुम पे तरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तुम पे तरिए या मरिए, चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया, चक दे इंडिया,
All right. Thank you, everyone, for dancing with me. Thank you so much. And once again, even before you all leave, and I know it's almost 1.5 hours now. So even before you all leave, I know you must be having a little more to achieve, some goal to achieve, right? So let's look into each other's eyes. Okay, I want every one of you to come to gallery view where you can see everyone. Can you please all come on camera once again, everyone? Okay, so little step here I want you to do is just look into each other here and just in your heart say Tathastu, that whatever you want to achieve, let that come true very soon. Okay, so let's do that. I want every one of you to come on gallery view, look at everyone on the screen, whoever is there, and just take their name and just say Tathastu, that whatever your goal is, you achieve it. Okay, let's do this. Come on, few seconds here. I think everybody can unmute and say Tathastu together. You can.
Tathastu.
Tatastu.
Tathastu.
Tatastu.
Tathastu.
All right, all right. Anybody wants to say before we leave? Anyone? कुछ बोलना है किसी को?
Just a few words. Just a few words, Neha. Thank you.
You can come on camera if it's possible.
It's it's possible, but I'm just a minute.
Huh.
Is it okay now?
Yes, Vandana, please.
Yeah, first of all, I need to thank you, Neha, for bringing us all together on a beautiful platform. We really enjoy this journey, and by heart, I'm thanking you. So, Geeta ji, you are an inspiration to us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vandana. Thank you so much.
Think now.
Vandana, you have inspired me a lot.
No.
Yes, you have. You,
Okay.
Arun, Deep, I don't know. There are few people who always talk, no? Who have inspired me a lot.
Thank you so much, and more power to you always.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vandana. Thank
Neha
you.
once again. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Neha ji. Thank you.
Thank you. Didar ji, you wanted to say something, adding you to the spotlight.
Ma'am, I only wanted to tell you on some of the uploaded, I find that speed has become very low in some of the cases.
So you have to check the speed. उसमें एक setting होता है दीदार जी. Okay. Settings में जाकर उसका speed ना आप normal करिए.
Okay.
ठीक है. अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो किसी और के फोन से you do a video call and then we will do it. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Because
But tell something to others out here. Something inspiring. Didar ji, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, no worries. I think your internet issue or something. All right. So thank you everyone for participating. And yes, Bharti ji, you want to say something?
Yeah. I wanted to
please.
ask, I couldn't attend day before yesterday 6 o'clock ka session because I had loose motion and vomiting and all that. So,
Okay.
and even now I'm feeling like, when I get up, I'm swaying a little bit, So, I don't understand what's happening. But
Okay.
did I miss out on anything? Did you start the healathon? Next healathon? No.
No. Next healathon is going to be, we will start in the month of March.
So test scores will be done that time, na? They were not done day before yesterday.
It will be different and I will be giving you something different. So we'll start from first week of March. I will tell you the schedule. Okay.
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you.
All right. Rajesh is asking something. In Pranadhan meditation, we have to exhale by nose or mouth. See, when I instruct you to exhale from mouth, do it from mouth. Otherwise, it's just normal. जैसे आप कर रहे हैं, वैसे आप करिए. ठीक है?
Okay.
All right. Chalo. Thank you, everyone. And I will see you again. The March schedule will come up and please join the sessions. Mark your calendar and join the sessions. We'll share the March calendar very soon. Today only you will get it. Okay. Chalo. And yes. Hare Krishna. Bye-bye.